Okay, let's go on the record. This is cause number 2021 CR 4823, the state of Texas versus Chelsea Bridges. Attorneys, please make your announcements for the record.
Yes, Your Honor. Luis Echeverria for the state of Texas.
Melissa Christian for the defendant, Chelsea Bridges.
And Ms. Bridges is appearing by video conference. Go ahead and tell me your full name.
Chelsea Mariel Bridges.
You have signed an agreement to proceed by video conference on Zoom, and you still want to proceed in that manner?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In a little bit, I'm going to show you the true bill of indictment that was filed in this case. I'll show it to you. Hang on. The indictment is just the legal document that tells you formally what you are charged with. And in this case, it alleges that you were charged with driving while intoxicated with a child passenger less than 15 years old. But I understand that we're going to proceed on something different. Here is the indictment. Do you understand the charge that you have this morning, Ms. Bridges?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. State, can you tell me how we're going to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. The state is moving to waive the child below 15 element and proceed on the lesser included offense of a DWI first, Class B misdemeanor.
That's our agreement, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bridges, a Class B misdemeanor is punishable by confinement in the Bexar County Jail for any period up to 6 months confinement, and also a possible fine of up to $2,000. Do you understand the range that applies to the reduced DWI first offense?
Yes, ma'am.
You have the right, so you understand that now we're not proceeding as a felony. Everything is now a misdemeanor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have certain rights that we have to go over. You have the right to a jury trial. You have the right to cross-examine all the witnesses. That means your attorney gets to ask them questions on cross-examination, and you have the right to remain silent. Those are your constitutional rights. Do you understand those?
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, just for the court's edification, on the screen is something that's
It's
not ours.
Sebastian Delgado.
Sorry. I didn't switch over. I thought I did. You see it now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. All of your trial, your constitutional rights, Ms. Chelsea, are explained to you in this document called the Court's Admonishment. Did you go over this with your attorney?
I went over it myself. I can read.
Okay, but you—
I'm sorry, I'm nervous.
It's okay. Well, we're gonna go slow, don't worry. Do you understand the trial rights that I explained to you?
Yes, ma'am.
When you signed this document with your attorney, what you're both telling me is that you're going to give up your constitutional rights because you have an agreement with the state. Is that what you intend to do today?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your electronic signature here at the bottom above Chelsea Bridges, defendant?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are not a citizen, Ms. Bridges, I'm still required to tell you a plea of guilty or no contest to this charge could result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Ms. Bridges, are you satisfied with the representation of your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Christian, does your client have a rational and factual understanding of the proceedings against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
She has.
In your opinion, is she mentally competent to waive her rights and enter into a plea?
Yes, she is.
I will accept the waiver and make it part of the record. I'm looking at the plea bargain, Ms. Bridges, that you all negotiated this morning, and I want to go over it with you.
Yes, ma'am.
There's a reduction to the Class B misdemeanor, DWI first. The punishment will be 180 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail. That's going to be suspended. The state is recommending that you be on probation for 1 year instead. $1,000 fine. We're going to do some evaluations for substance abuse. That's the TAP evaluation. 80 hours community service. They will also want a mental health assessment, DWI education class, victim impact panel live, and an apology letter to Zayden. Who is Zayden?
My nephew.
Your nephew? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that your understanding of the agreement,
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Christian?
It is, Judge.
Mr. Echeverria?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Bridges, what is your plea to the charge of driving while intoxicated first offense? Is it guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Are you entering a plea of no contest because you have talked about this matter with your attorney and you believe that this is in your best interest?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone forced you to enter a plea
No, ma'am.
or offered you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
I will accept your plea of no contest. I do find the plea is voluntarily made, and I will ask the state to tender its proof.
The state offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments pending
We have
any objection from Ms. Christian.
We have no objection, Your Honor.
State's 1 is admitted. Ms. Christian, are you satisfied the state complied with Article 3914 in this case?
I am, Judge.
I will sign the discovery acknowledgement and make it part of the record. Give me just a minute, please. I'll be right back.
Chelsea, you're doing great. You're doing great. Hang in there. We're almost done.
You know I'm gonna, yeah.
We're almost done. You're doing fantastic.
Okay, I'm ready to go back